There are actually four good news around the Layeredge airdrop, which I'm going to be breaking to you right here on this video. So if you have been in the crypto space for a while now, you should know by now that the Layeredge listing is around the corner. And of course, we have a lot of good news, which I'm going to be sharing to you right here on this video. So do well to stick around and watch the video to the end. And do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. So the first good news that I have about this Layeredge airdrop is that by tomorrow, being the 31st of May 2025, you are going to be able to check your allocation and know the amount that you have actually got. All right, so that's the first good news. So the second good news that I have for you guys right here is that Layeredge airdrop is actually going to be listing on Binance. All right, so this is a very wonderful news right here. Layeredge airdrop is going to be listing on Binance, and Binance has actually confirmed this, and also another top crypto exchange has actually confirmed it as well. This is KuCoin. They confirmed that they will be listing Edging, which is the Layeredge token. They are going to be listing it, and of course they are yet to announce the date that the trading will start. And one other thing that actually interests me so much about this project is that it is an ERC20 token, meaning that it's an Ethereum. It is actually under Ethereum blockchain currently, and any token that is launched under Ethereum blockchain is very likely to do well. It's not a token that you can actually play with, something like that. So right now Binance has actually confirmed the listing, and also KuCoin has confirmed this. And for this token to make it to Binance, for Binance to actually talk about them, it means that yeah, there are levels to it. All right, and right now the third good news that I have for you guys is that this token is actually going to be listed on the 2nd of June 2025. All right, so the trading of this token is going to be starting on the 2nd of June through Binance. And currently what you need to do right now is to be on alert, because anytime soon the airdrop checker is going to be live, and we are going to be able to check our allocation and of course be ready to enjoy all the benefits that comes with it. All right, one other thing that you need to take note of right here is that they have actually allocated some things, and it is very interesting to let you know that if you were able to mint the pledge pass, which we most of us actually minted, they have actually reserved 2% of their allocation. All right, so they have actually reserved 2% of their allocation to the OG pledge pass holders as part of their mint fee back at TGE. If you remember, when we were actually minting those pledge pass, they actually promised to refund us for that, and right now they have actually allocated 2% of the airdrop allocation to the people that actually minted the pledge pass. All right, so right now guys, this is the good news that we have around the Layeredge airdrop right now. So let me know what you think right there on the comment section. And of course, remember, when the airdrop checker becomes live, I'll be letting you guys know on our Telegram. If you are not yet on our Telegram, you are missing out a lot. You need to be on our Telegram, because that is where we give you guys latest updates all the time. All right, and the link to our airdrop is of course right there on the video description box. So kindly do well to like this video and let me know your thoughts right there on the video description as we await for the D-Day when we all are going to be cashing out. So one question that a lot of people are asking right now is, when is the claim date for the Layeredge airdrop? All right, so it is very simple, and here is it. The claim date is the same day as the date for the TGE. All right, so that's going to be the day that we're going to be able to claim. So right now, what you need to know right now is that their website is likely going to be crowded, and you should be ready for to experience some delay. Probably I'm not really sure about it, but the claim date is going to be the same day as the TGE date, which is the 2nd of June 2025. All right, so thank you for watching guys, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that is going to be dropping very soon.